If you have an old Word document that won't open properly, looks corrupted, or keeps giving you errors, this quick fix can help you repair it in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair an old document in Microsoft Word so you can try to recover the file without losing your work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and fixes. All right, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go up to the File menu at the top left corner. From there, click Open. This is where you can browse for the document that you want to repair. Instead of opening the file the normal way, click Browse so you can manually locate the old document on your computer, USB drive, or cloud folder. Now find the document you want to fix and select it. Don't double-click it yet because the next step is very important. Look for the Open button, and next to it you'll see a small arrow. Click that arrow to reveal more options. In that menu, choose Open and Repair. This tells Microsoft Word to try to detect and fix any issues in the file before it loads. Word will now attempt to repair the document automatically. Depending on the size of the file and how damaged it is, this may take a few seconds. If the repair is successful, your document should open normally, and you can immediately save it as a fresh copy to protect the recovered version. I always recommend saving it right away, under a new file name, just in case the original file has deeper issues. If the document still doesn't open after using Open and Repair, try making a copy of the file first, and then repeat the process on the copied version. Sometimes older documents, especially files that were created in earlier versions of Word, open better after being duplicated or moved to a different folder. You can also make sure Word is fully updated, because newer updates often improve file recovery and compatibility. Another useful tip is to check whether the file is stored locally on your computer, rather than directly from a network drive or email attachment. Saving it to your desktop first and then running Open and Repair can sometimes improve the results. The goal is to give Word the best chance to access the file cleanly and rebuild it without extra interruptions. And that's it. You've now learned how to repair an old document in Microsoft Word using the Open and Repair option. It's a simple method, but it can save you a lot of time when you're dealing with a damaged or stubborn file. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Word troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.